The newest Little Mermaid movie has ignited the imaginations and joy of another generation. What better time to excite kids than at Christmas? 8 months until you start dusting off Christmas decorations, so time to start pondering your next Christmas decor setup. Try something new and go for an under-the-sea theme. Christmas is celebrated in most of the world, so why not along coral reefs? Color schemes are the same colors but in a pastel form. Instead of holly red, use a lighter pink. A range of greens would fit, but keep it lighter. And light blue to blue-green. Make sure pure white is involved to link frigid icy waters of winter with glittering beauty of the sea. There are a range of tree decor on my blog to keep things interesting and within theme. Choose from being just within color theme to see related ornaments to specific Little Mermaid ornaments. Strapped for time? Try a prelit palm tree to anchor your decor and add a few ornaments to that. Exterior decorating has options from an inflatable aerial to more general aquatic options. Perhaps if this theme catches on, there will be more interest in making options. Light strings can come in any range of customized colors, so whatever palette makes you think of this theme is what is right for you. With the newest Little Mermaid movie making a buzz, time to find new ways to celebrate this reminder of our childhoods.